name is Lauren Rapp. I'm coming from the Craig Newmark Graduate School of Journalism, class of 2024, and I'm going to be one of the digital media journalist interns this semester. I'm really looking forward to getting into Manhattan and Brooklyn, covering local events, talking to people that make the city interesting, and doing some video editing.
Hi, I'm Tyler Shore. I go to the University of Michigan and I am so excited about this internship opportunity at Schneps this semester. I really am looking forward to getting to know all the other interns, really working with them and just collaborating with all the various teams at Schneps.
Hi, this is Muhammad Shumail and I'm doing my master's from Craig Newmark School of Journalism. My favorite thing about this is to work with different interns, producers and editors and pitching new ideas, work on the field and getting a hands-on experience about it, working with the best editors in the business. The goal for this internship is to apply my skills for my upcoming documentary project.
Hi, I'm Savannah Perry and I'm a senior at Hofstra University. Content creation and video editing has always been a really big passion of mine, and I'm super excited to join the Schneps media team as their creative director intern. I believe that there is a ton of stories out there that need to be heard, and what better way to add your own creative flair and spin onto them.
My name is Adriana Franco and I go to Adelphi University on Long Island. I'm mostly excited about challenging my creative side as well as growing in the field of marketing. My favorite part of this work is being part of the team as well as being able to contribute to the success of projects. I'm deeply passionate about understanding the psychology and the strategies that go behind every marketing decision. My current goals include growing professionally as well as having a positive impact by always bringing new ideas to the table.
Hello, my name is Alisher and I'm a senior at Baruch College, and I'm very excited to join the Schneps media team. My favorite part about this work is that it allows us to express ourselves creatively, and there are so many topics that one could write about. I'm very passionate about music and sports, soccer and basketball in particular. I'm hopeful to get a lot of real knowledge and experience from this company that I can apply later on in my career. Thank you, and looking forward to meeting everyone.
Hello, my name is Lindsay Paul. I go to Pace University and I'm most excited to gain real-world experience from this internship instead of just sitting in a classroom studying journalism. My favorite part of this work is raising marginalized voices and telling stories that otherwise might not be told. I'm most passionate about talking to people and hearing their stories, which also is what I want to improve the most. I want to become a better interviewer and researcher so that my writing and journalism improves as a whole.
Hi, I'm Victoria Major and I go to Immerse College. I'm super excited for this brand new internship program, especially for the social media aspect of it and just learning more of the creativity behind it and how I can incorporate artistic qualities into it.
Hi, my name is Olivia Seaman and I go to St. John's University. I'm really excited to get to tell stories in a creative way, and I'm really passionate about sharing people's stories and uplifting their communities. My favorite part about this work is that I get to meet some pretty cool people, and I hope to gain more insight through Schneps Media and grow professionally and editorially. Thank you!
Hi, my name is Kaylin. I go to St. John's University. I'm a sophomore, and I'm really excited to be working with the Schneps Media team to push out some great content for our consumers. And I'm really passionate about creating content for causes and events that I think are important. And I really enjoy hearing feedback from consumers and people who consume the things I put out. And I'm really excited to be able to do that and work with a great team.